Hello everybody, and welcome to a new month. It is officially September, and I'm so excited to show you guys our latest monthly kit club kit, Victorian Charm. So we're going to take a look at what's inside, and it's going to be super fun. It is such a good one, and really quick, if you end up falling in love with this kit, then there are two ways that you can get it. You can, number one, subscribe during this month on our website, www.pinkmonarchprints.com, and get the kit for the best price, or you can just get the kit flat out with no subscription on our Etsy. And I'll have everything linked in the description of this video. It's a super fun thing, and there are lots of tutorials and inspo here on YouTube and our other social medias. There's a Facebook group, and of course lots of freebies if you happen to be a subscriber as well. And finally, again, I will have everything linked in the description of this video. Let's get on to the kit. Okay, here it is. You guys, this kit was so fun to make, and even better was crafting with it. I've already filmed a bunch of videos, and it was just a blast and a half. So we're going to start by taking a look at the papers in this kit. There are a lot of pink, purple, cream colors found in this kit. Tons of neutral papers, tons of statement papers, everything you need to create a eye-catching journal for the month of September. And you guys, I'm not kidding, these pages are so cohesive with each other. You got a mix of some classic prints and some vintage prints as well. Next up, we're going to just chug right along. We're going to take a look at the pockets in this kit. Lots of different sizes, unique shapes, some file folders to go along with it. And here are some more pockets and random tidbits. It is seriously, there's just such a big variety. I don't even really know the order that we're going to be talking about these in, but they're just super fun. These are just some stacked layering pockets, some hidden paper clip things that we're going to have a fun tutorial with. Here are some more of the fussy cut circles, classic, lovely letters, tidbits, and frame fussy cuts, and of course circles. Gotta love the circles, and totally will be using those so much. Here are some of our lovely fussy cuts from the kit. We have some flowers, smaller butterflies. The fussy cuts in this collection are a little bit smaller, and some stamps, which are gorgeous. Some tags. We're going to take a look at the tags. Got your blank journal tags, your small unique shape tags, some classic tags, and of course more journal cards, but this time with some ephemera on them and some more classics. Ephemera in this kit is super cute. Just some classic ephemera with those pops of pink and purple. We kind of did mix that vintage look with the not so vintage look. Some large stamps. And now we have some envelopes. So the envelopes, we just have some tall and skinny envelopes, as well as a lot of decals and extra things on the side, and some other unique shaped envelopes. Finally, we have the double pages, which in our kits, you know that here's the cover for the double pages. We have these optional pages if you want to use them to make a journal. So one cover, and then usually like 5 inserts for those journals, and that is the kit. It is so beautiful. You guys, if you want matching stickers, I'll have those linked in the description as well. That's an option for you guys if you love the physical stickers and everything. But again, this kit has just been so fun. You can see it all together right here. It's just super cohesive, and it's going to be really beautiful. So reminder, you can get the kit in one of two ways. You can subscribe, or you can purchase the kit with no subscription, and I will have everything linked in the description of this video for you guys to check out. We have some super fun videos coming this month, and a lot of fun crafting. And whether you have this kit or not, feel free to join us. It's going to be a lot of fun, and you're going to be able to get a lot of inspiration that you can use in your journals or anywhere else. So let's just have a wonderful month, and thank you guys for being a part of this journey. Love you so much, and we will see you in the rest of our videos. Goodbye.